Hello YouTube, I will show you how to hack Wi-Fi. First, you need to be jailbroken. iOS 7.1.1. Look at my version. General about version iOS 7.1.1.
Naabala pa tuloy kita. Salamat sa paghatid sa akin.
First, you need Cydia. Sorry about that. And search 5D Wi-Fi. Pick the first one and install it. And now after you install the 5D Wi-Fi, go to 5D Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi and press violent crack, and will you get the password of the Wi-Fi. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.